सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to solve exercise 9.2 problem number 1. Look at the question. Weights of parcels in a transport office are given below. These are the weights in parcels office, transport office. So find the mean weight of the parcels. So here we have to find the mean weight of the parcels in a transport office. So we are going to solve this problem by direct method. For direct method we have a formula. What is the formula? Direct method, x bar is nothing but arithmetic mean sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Okay, this is the formula for mean. X bar is nothing but arithmetic mean, okay, or mean we can consider. So fi xi, fi is nothing but frequencies, okay. Fi, suppose in place of I we can write f1, f2, f3, f4. We can replace the I values as 1, 2, 3, 4, and x is nothing but these are the weights here, okay. X is nothing but weights here, okay, and f is nothing but frequencies. Frequency nothing but here number of parcels, okay. We shall make first of all table this. So this is the formula. So sigma is nothing but summation. What we can write? X bar is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. We can write f1 x1 into f1 x1 plus f2 into x2 plus f3 into x3 plus f4 into x4 plus so on fn into xn by f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus f4 plus f5 plus f6. We can write fn, okay. This we can write in short form sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma is nothing but summation notation, it is, okay, right. So coming to this problem, so weights given here, weights in kgs and number of parcels, and here we can write fi into xi. This is nothing but fi and this one is xi, okay. So I am going to make a table here. Right. So I done here xi values 50. So 50 kg parcels, 25 is there, and 65 kg parcels, how many? 34, and 75 kg parcels, 38 are there, and 90 kg parcels, 40, and 110 kg parcels, 47 here, and 120 kg parcels, how many? 16 are there, okay, right. So now what we do? Fi into xi, nothing but this into this we can multiply here and write down answer here, okay. So 50 into 25, this is the fi values, these are fi values, and these are xi values. We have to multiply with both them. So 50 into 25, okay, 500, 5 5 25, 200, 2 5 10, 0, 5, 2, 1. So what is the product? 1250. Next 65 into 34. 65 into 34. 4 5 is 20. 4 6 is 24. 26. 3 5 is 15. 3 6 is 18. 19. Okay. 0, 11, 1, 10, 12. Here it is 1, 2, 2, 1, 0. 0, 11, 1 here, 10, 12, 1 here, 2. 2 to 1, 0 is the product, okay. Right, next 75 into 38. 8 5s are 40, 8 7s 56, and 60 here, 6 carry, okay, write down 600 here. And next 3 5s are 15, 1 here, 3 7s are 21, 22. Is it clear? 8 5s are 40, 4 here, 8 7s are 56, 60 here, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 7s 21, 22. 0 5 8 2. So 285850 is the product of this third one. 2850, and this is here, right down here, 2210. Right, next 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next 90 into 40, 9 4s are 36, and 2 zeros as it is, isn't it? Next 110 into 47. So 110 into 47, 700, 7 1 the 7, 7 1 the 7, 400, 4 1 the 4, 4 1 the 4, 0 7, 11 1. So 5170, 770 and 440, 0 7, 11 1 here, and 5170 is the answer. So here it is 5170, and last one 120 into 16. So 120 into 16, 600, 6 2s are 12, 1 2 here, 1 here, 6 1s are 6, 7, and 120, 0 2 9 1, 1920. So 1920 is the product, okay, right? So now what we do, we have to find what is the formula actually. So formula is mean is equals to x bar is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi xi is nothing but we have to sum all these products. Sigma fi is nothing but sum of all these frequencies, okay. So let us find sigma fi first. 5 4 9, 9 17, 17 7, 24 30, okay. 0 3 carry, 4 1 2 3 4, 12, 12 2 14, 14 plus 6 20, it is 200. So we got sigma fi is equals to 200. Next sigma fi xi, it means we have to sum all these things. So I think all are 4 digits numbers only, 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, all are zeros, so write down 0 here. And next 5 6, 5 5 10 11, 11 7 18, 20, 0 here, 2 carry, 2 2 4, 4 6 8, 6 8, 14 20 30, 0 here, again 3 carry here, okay. So 3 1 4, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, 11 12, 12 plus 5 17, okay. So sigma fi xi we got 17,000, okay. So according to formula, substitute the values. X bar is equals to 17,000 by 200. 0 0 gets cancelled, 0 0 gets cancelled, 2 1s are 2, 8s are 16, 1 carry, so 2 5s are 10, we got 85. So X bar is equals to 85. So what is the mean weight of the parcels? So what is the mean weight? So mean weight is equals to 85 kgs. Okay, is it clear? Are you clear with this? Yes. Pause the video, write the notes.